final liftoff of Atlantis. On the shoulders of the space shuttle, America will continue the dream.
Houston now controlling the flight of Atlantis. The space shuttle spreads its wings one final time for the start of a sentimental journey into history. 24 seconds into the flight, roll program complete. Atlantis now heads down, wings level on the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Space Station. 40 seconds into the flight, the 3 liquid fuel main engines throttling back to 72% of rated performance in the bucket, reducing stress on the shuttle as it goes transonic for the final time. Engines now revving up, standing by for the throttle up call. Reducing stress on the shuttle as it goes transonic. Engines now revving up, standing by for the throttle up call. Atlantis, go at throttle up, no action, DPDT. The call from Capcom Barry Wilmore, a transducer, instrumentation only, no action required. Atlantis now 15 miles in altitude, already 16 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center, 1 minute 40 seconds into the flight. Atlantis flexing its muscles one final time. Atlantis traveling almost 2,600 miles an hour, 21 miles in altitude, 24 miles downrange, standing by for solid rocket booster separation. Booster officer confirms staging of good solid rocket booster separation. Guidance now converging. The main engine steering the shuttle on a pinpoint path to its preliminary orbit. 2 minutes 20 seconds into the flight. Atlantis already traveling 3,200 miles an hour, 35 miles in altitude, 50 miles downrange. The propulsion officer reports the orbital maneuvering system engines have ignited. Atlantis kicking on its afterburners for 1 minute 23 seconds for the final phase of powered flight. Atlantis, 2 engines down.
Picture's frozen, isn't it? No. Putting your body through that though. Putting your body through that.
What do they say at the end of this? The dream continues. There is a lot of hope, and it's not going to be inspired. It's not the end, it's the beginning. So we're in much better shape now than last pushing the orbit. We've all been lashed back in their seats now pretty hard. And I hope yes,
Launch as scheduled, pretty much. Diving also live on Cape Canaveral in Florida. Been watching the space shuttle Atlantis take off there, and
plenty of feeling. Right now, but they've got a few more minutes of ascent to deal with, so all eyes in Falcon over the next shot right now. And we've already had one of the false alarm on the way out. And that has a huge lift and changes once we get out to the second to stop, came out to the optimistic. It's the end of the beginning of something. It's not the beginning of the end. It's the beginning of the war.
It is still moving actually, isn't it? It is still moving.
There. However, Atlantis' 3 engines performing perfectly. 4 minutes 20 seconds into the flight. Atlantis currently traveling 5,500 miles an hour, 62 miles in altitude, almost 200 miles downrange. 4 minutes of powered flight remaining. Atlantis speeding straight as an arrow toward its date with the International Space Station Sunday morning. Coming up on the 5-minute mark. Atlantis now traveling 6,500 miles an hour, 66 miles in altitude, 250 miles downrange.
6,500 miles an hour.
Atlantis,
6,500. That's 6,500, Matt.
That call indicating we can
What?
make minimal orbital targets in the event of an engine failure. All three
Billions,
engines
billions,
continue to
yeah.
function normally.
That's why they're not doing it
Atlantis
anymore,
will
are
begin
they?
its slow roll to a heads-up position shortly. Five and a half minutes into the flight. Atlantis traveling 7,700 miles an hour, 315 miles downrange.
Atlantis, single engine, op 3.
And the guidance officer here in Mission Control confirms that the computers are commanding the main engines to swivel.
Their data. 4.
We've rolled to a heads-up position now, providing better communications to the tracking and data relay satellite system. This heads uphill. 6 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight.
Atlantis crashed to Nico.
That call indicates that we can make our normal orbital cutoff targets in the event of an engine failure. However, all three main engines continue to function normally.
Fergie, go to plus X, go to pitch. Shutdown plan, go for the plus X, go for the pitch.
That call indicating that we will be in good shape for the orientation of Atlantis for external tank photography following main engine cutoff. Now 7 minutes into the flight. One minute, 20 seconds till main engine cutoff. Atlantis traveling 12,000 miles an hour. The main engines will down once again to limit the stress on the shuttle and its 4 crew members to that of 3 times the effective gravity. Atlantis currently traveling at a speed of more than 4 miles a second. 1 minute of powered flight remaining for Atlantis.